Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. In the toolbox today is this Katsu 3/8 drive socket set. It's a lovely little sockets, ratchet and socket set. Nice little ratchet with lots of other features, which I'm going to go through in just a second. So the socket set comes with 10 sockets. We start at 10mm, then move to 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22 and finally 24. All very useful sizes. It also comes with this lovely 6-inch extension bar. Let's talk about the ratchet itself. As you can see, it is relatively decent. It's got a switch for changing the direction, push button quick release. So let me borrow this 24. You just simply push it in, clip it on, and then if you want to release it, just do that and it pops off. Like I said, got a nice good ratcheting mechanism, easy to change directions when you need to. And those of you who have seen the some of my previous videos will have noticed that this is the third one in the series. I've also done this little baby 1/4 inch, which is quite a difference in size, and I've also done this rather big 1/2 inch drive, which you can't actually see in the camera, so let me quickly move it around, which is a lot bigger than this 3/8. So if you want to see more about these two ratchets, there'll be a link in the description, and also there's a playlist of all my other what's in the toolboxes, where you'll be able to check these two videos out and my thoughts on these. Now here's just a quick little close up of one of the sockets. So I've chosen the 24. As you can see, it's got this nice little knurling on it. There is the broaching for the 3/8. Nice, well cut, centered opening. Yeah, I like the knurling on it. Useful for the if you need to turn it by hand. Obviously, normally I turn it by hand with the extension. But yeah, overall, a very nice little socket. All the sockets are very much similar. They all have the same quality, decent weight to them, which is what you want. Going back to this 3/8 one now. I've used a lot of these Katsu ratchets. They're very good for the price and the value. I think they're excellent value. I like the fact this comes with a nice 6-inch extension. Really helpful for getting into those spots where you're not too close. Being a 3/8 has got quite a good, like, solid drive mechanism. That's another good feature about it. Nice comfort grip handle, as with all of them. Nice, solid, and very helpful. The thing I like about this, what makes it my most used ratchet, is the fact that it's 3/8 drive, so I can use things like this 3/8 deep socket, and then it gives me an option of a deep socket. Again, I can use that with the extension as well. But yeah, very useful. The fact that this 3/8, the most common size that I use is 3/8. 3/8 is a very common size as well for a lot of sockets. So for instance, I did a tool review not too long ago on my Torque socket set, and a lot of those were 3/8 drives. I used them with this ratchet. Obviously they come with the same holder. I like to keep them on the holder. Unfortunately the 24mm decided to break off, so that's just hanging around loose. But yeah, we have a nice little selection of sockets, as I said earlier. Useful. I'll give you a couple of specs on the ratchet now. So the ratchet is about 8 inches long, I believe. Let's just double check that with my tape measure. So let me move it so you can actually see it in the camera. Yeah, so just under 8 inches long. Not a bad size. Can't complain at 8 inches. And it's just about 3.5 inches wide. So if you're getting into those tight spots, obviously it won't get into as many tight spots as this one, but it makes up for that with the extra strength. So it's a nice little trade-off. And my final thoughts on this Katsu 3/8 socket set. Great little set. Probably if you were going to buy one of the three, I'd go for this one first. It's useful. You can do a lot with it. It goes, as well as going down to the smaller sizes, going up to some of the bigger sizes. It gives you plenty of leverage if you need it. You only really need like the bigger ones for like the really tough bolts, and this is a good starting point. So I highly recommend, if you haven't got a ratchet, pick this one up. There'll be a link in the description to where you can get one for yourself. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.